This helps you get started?
Yeah, like this.
Okay. Okay.
You ready, guys?
I'm ready.
Ready for an invocation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oops, I fell off.
Okay. Oh, good one, Josie. Oh my goodness!
This is longer.
That is a really long one. You can just keep going, huh?
Yeah.
You're just gonna keep going and going and going?